What's up everybody? Hope you're doing well. My name is David and today we will look at how to turn your basic C major chord to something like this. So, let's have a closer look. I'm playing my C major chord with the capo on the 4th fret, but doesn't matter, you can also play it without the capo. And now I will break down what I just played. The first thing I did is I removed my second finger from the 4th strings, and then I hammered on the 2nd fret on the 4th string. So it sounds like this. And then I just played the C major chord. I played the 5th and then the 4th, the 3rd and the 2nd string. You can also strum the chord, so it sounds like this. And you can also remove your first finger and you will have the C major 7. And it sounds like this. So if I play this first lick with the second lick, it will sound like this. You can also play the 3rd fret on the 1st string with your C major shape. So you have the C major shape and you can put your 4th finger on the 3rd fret on the 1st string and it sounds just amazing like this. So I'll play now the 3 licks together and it sounds like this. So, and that was our lesson for today. Please, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below and try out these licks and have fun. Have a nice day and bye bye.